Well, I'll pause in a minute then. You should listen to Richard Walker. First thing you should set up, youth. You nearly got him in?
You can get 3 rods out, yeah.
Yeah. So that air pressure's freshening it up, hasn't it?
And stocky.
Stocky. Well, got to show its face sooner or later, haven't they? Hey. Feisty little bugger.
Yeah, little stocky.
Yeah.
Start the day off.
Yeah, look at him.
Not even got set up yet.
See when you're about 20.
Yeah, be nice. Oh, finally set up. Have that stocky when I was setting up. Didn't even get up rods now. But, there's been 1 or 2 rolling. And hopefully we'll get something. Not sure what time it is. I think it's about 7:30, I think. So try and get some action for you later. Conditions look okay. And John's there again. This feels a bit better.
Yeah, good. I was just about to change that one to that rig, Rich.
Yeah.
So it wasn't balancing right, you know. You tell me to use my net, don't you? That's what I was doing last week with mine, Rich. Let's go in. Lovely jubbly. Spray. What we got there then, Rich?
£18.
£13 now. Beautiful.
It's old fish. It's in nice condition, eh?
Yeah, very nice. Okay. It's ready, and off she goes. Still got rest of the day yet?
Yeah, it is, yeah. Well, it's about 9:15. Just have them 2, 13 and that stocky. John's not had out yet, but seen a few fish moving about. Now this is a bit of a birthday session for me. It was birthday yesterday, so I decided to come for a day session today. And hopefully get something worth catching. I better get that phone call.
Right, Rich, how you in? Rich is in again. This is just like watching Shrewsbury against Derby. Action. Yeah, you're right. I'm not getting too close to that. Hey, not ready yet, lad. Here's it.
Nice one, Kate. Big first picture in over that. Nice little mirror.
Yeah, it's
It's a 9.5.
nice. Yeah. Bang on, yeah.
Oh, it's coming up 20 past 10. Going to be quiet now. Just seeing the odd fish still on the bait. Had them 3. Nothing big yet. Just looking, hoping for something a bit bigger. But, we've seen some good fish this morning. Hopefully, we'll get amongst them in a bit.
How's it feel, Rich? Does it feel like? Yay, come on. Bending it rod. Biggest of the day, I think. Yes. 4-0. Okay. Just a bit. Whee, legit. Go back in a minute, lad.
Blown off.
Yeah, it looks bigger than that, doesn't it?
Yeah. Where's all the big ones gone? Same to you.
I say him back there.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, off she
Yeah.
goes. Ta-da.
John's decided to have a recast and it's lashing down. Oh, 4 fish, can't be bad. Just nice to get something a bit bigger, maybe 20. Let's look at Johnny, let's see Johnny get a big 20. But, plenty of time now, hopefully. Johnny, scrape a double, just £10.
Yeah, just £10 dead on for that one, yeah.
Lovely condition.
Magic, yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, great condition, original out fish, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, young fish.
Go on.
Number 5.
5 now.
5 now.
Now it's coming up about 10 to 1. Made about an hour since that last fish. Still 1 or 2 rolling though. And there's good looking fish as well. Still out for something a bit bigger. Okay. Now John's just still waiting for a space fish, so let's hope he gets one. Conditions are alright. Spot on really.
Number 6 coming up. Yes, there's the how's the how many is that? 6?
6. So 15, 12.
15, 12, lovely, biggest at day. Number 6. The
That can you watch some, John?
yeah, the good viewing this evening on the Carp of the day.
She goes.
There she blows. Marvellous, isn't it?
Well, that's 6 fish for me. Today, just wish John would get something there. Bit one-sided at the minute, but there's just a couple of nice fish roll right on his bait, so he's got a chance here. Let's hope he gets one. Another fish stocking you?
Yeah,
Fish number 7.
spectacular patterns on it, aren't they?
Yeah.
Lovely that.
Right,
See when you're about 48.
Yeah.
How many is that then, you?
7.
Any idea how many I've had?
You're going to get one.
Hallelujah. Lift her up, baby.
I'm just going to kick me.
Go on then. Have a go at it.
14 something?
14, 12?
Yeah, so
14, 12. Nice.
Bait's actually worked after all.
Yeah, I knew it would. Yeah, I'll put her back then, matey.
Okay, nice one.
There she goes. What do you say to that then, John?
Hey?
Is that about time?
Yeah, hallelujah. 8-1. That's that Roderick's one.
Okay.
Right, £13, John.
Yeah, lovely. Both at the same time. Is that one of the briefs?
Yeah. Right, battle.
Yeah, brilliant.
Started to film you and then Margaret. Couldn't get no footies on them all.
Yeah, that's what you want, innit?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Right.
Marvellous.
Believe it, man. Oh, God. Well, you've been lively enough so far, there we go. Go on then.
There you go. Ah,
Oh, that right, took a few minutes. Well, that one had a few minutes. I talked to John, his right hand rod ripped off, screened off. And they're playing that fish, you know, filming it. And while filming that, mine ripped off in the middle rod. So we didn't get a lot of footage that time, but a couple of nice commons, double figure commons, so that's good. And John's not blank, so all good. Well, a few hours left yet, so they're still rolling on the bait. Still waiting for a bigger one. Nice to round it off to a 20. We shall see. And it's absolutely pouring down there. Yeah.
another.
Little stocky.
Yeah, beautiful. So quick, get a close up of him.
It's 9 foot day.
Yeah, 9. Right. Morning, neighbour. Yes. Well, 2 at a time again.
Yeah, 13 pound and a little stocky in that there. Drop it back in a minute.
I'm just hiding him.
Poured him up.
Yeah, a bit lively one. Just for a lively one.
There you go,
Yeah, full on it straight away, look.
Yeah.
Bless you. That's number 10. Right.
And the second of the quick fire race.
That's number 11 of the day. Okay.
Right, that's me packed up. Got Rolly to pack up now. And we're off. And John's just packing his gear. Still left his rods out. But that's it, I've ended up with 12. John's had the 1. Missed a run just now as well. But, not a bad day. Shame the bigger ones didn't make an appearance, but can't have it all. And we'll see you soon. Hey, John.